A long time ago, we were trying to build a business, and someone had told us that if you just show 150 presentations, you should be making $2,000 a month, because they had never seen anybody show that many presentations and not make $2,000 a month. We're like, great! So what did we do? We created a chart with 150 squares. And every time we showed a presentation, we put a smiley face on the square. Because we knew that when we had that filled in, what would we be making? $2,000 a month. We're so excited. At the end of those 150 presentations, we weren't making any money. I think we were the first people to come along to prove that theory wrong. We were doing the actions that someone else had done without the vision that they had had. We were so focused on filling in that sheet that who were we attracting? Who were the people that we were showing presentations to? We were showing it to people who would be kind enough to let us show them a presentation. The other people who were doing really well, they were attracting people who wanted what they had to offer. Same activity, different results, and it's because of our thinking.